Things getting pretty active here in Broward County. Meteorologist Dave Warren in for Craig tonight. This is our Fort Lauderdale camera turned a little to the west, and you can see that rain coming down. This storm just developed here, and it's a little warmer up at Fort Lauderdale, so that'll fuel these storms just a bit. That's rain-cooled air in Miami down to 80. Key West hot, 92. It's tied a record of 94 degrees today. Here's this storm. It's 75 where it meets 595 there, right over Weston and Davie, and it's just getting started now. A lot of lightning with this in just the last hour. It really blew up, and it should continue to slowly drift south. Still pretty warm in that area, unlike what we saw right over the airport at about 3 o'clock. This was some hail and a gust of wind close to 50 miles an hour. That storm pushed south, and here's what's left of it right around Homestead here. Some lightning strikes, shower and storms continue to push south through Miami-Dade, and even the Keys, Upper Keys, had a brief little storm earlier. That activity is pushing south, but primarily these showers will be winding down in just a few hours. That one there in Broward County, that's just getting started. So make sure you get out of the way of that one here. 90 in Oakland Park, 88 in Pembroke Pines. That's where the heat is. The rain-cooled air in Miami and West Kendall down to about 80. Here's Hurricane Chris. The satellite picture shows it clearly, the eye there, and it's slowly starting to move to the northeast, and this will rapidly accelerate into the North Atlantic. These are all the current locations here, but each advisory, so it pretty much stayed over the same area, but now it's starting to move northeast at 10 miles an hour. Wind speed 85 miles an hour. Because it was over the same area, you get a lot of rough surf that's developing and working its way out of the storm, but that'll be changing here in the next 24 hours. The wave heights increase and actually are trying to work their way down the coast. We have a moderate risk of rip currents. The surf increasing just a bit. You go a little farther north and you're dealing with some bigger waves there, but here across the area, just 1 to 2 foot seas increasing today and tomorrow. Moisture from Burrell is right over Haiti right now and continue to push to the north. The storm may develop, but it'll stay well to the east of Miami. It'll move right over where Chris is now. There's just a 50% chance of development in the next 5 days. Here's a lot of moisture that came across the air. That's why we're seeing heavier, more widespread showers today. We could see that again tomorrow. Here's the timing. First, the activity out there right now pretty much dies down after sunset. About 1 o'clock, we're seeing these showers and storms develop. They will push inland tomorrow, so we could see a repeat of what we had today. Storms will linger just a bit to the south. 77 degrees tonight, 91 with passing storms and a gusty downpour tomorrow. Extended forecast will look at more showers and storms in the forecast by the end of the week and over the weekend.